G'day guys, quick update. Progress has been a little slow. December's quite a social month and we have struggled to make real headway. What you can see behind me is that there's a lot of plastic on the walls. We have started painting. You can also see that we have our bench top. It's not fully installed, it's only dry fit at the moment. Jennifer, where are you?
I'm in the wardrobe.
What are you doing?
Just painting a wardrobe ceiling. And by the way, guys, if you're wondering why I have this towel on my head, it's because if I wear a shower cap, then my head sweats under it. But this is actually a towel that you dry your hair with, one of those ones you tie up at the back. It's broken, so I figured I'll just put this on. It's not sweaty, it's nice, looks good.
So this room finally got all its plastering done just a few days ago. We have a plasterer that does a fantastic job. So this one's all ready to roll. So this ceiling is just being painted at the moment, and then we will get the walls done and put all the trim around the windows. So as I said, the bench top is in place and was perfect fit. So that's all looking pretty good. We're pretty happy with that. These walls are all plastered, ready for paint, so most of this is just painting stuff now. The bathroom is also plastered, as you can see. A little bit of work going in, so this is really the major piece here now. So the shower tray goes in here, and that is going to be the waste for it. So the idea being that there's going to be a trap coming for the toilet here at floor level instead of coming out the wall here. Shower trap cuts, runs down here into the toilet pan. So, got the main line, yeah, we've got the shower trap here. It's been quite the job. This huge pile of dirt that was dug by hand. A long one. I'm tired. Alrighty. Thanks guys, catch you on the next one.